What's going on, everyone? Ian here from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the all-new Sony Xperia 10 Mark III. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you have any questions or concerns about the phone or any of my products, please send me a message, drop a comment. Let's get the conversation going. A quick rundown of this phone: it has a 6-inch screen. It has the Snapdragon 690 5G processor. The main camera on it is 12 megapixels. The memory size that it comes in is 128 gigs with 6 gigabytes of RAM. It has a 45 milliamp hour battery. It is dual SIM, international version, factory unlocked, Google Play pre-installed, no flashing, nothing of that sort. So without further ado, if you buy from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. Okay, lift off the top. Got the phone right here. Go ahead and pop that out. This is the pink one. Some booklets here. Another booklet inside. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have a wall charger. If for any reason the plug doesn't look like the one that we use here in North America, I do include a charger adapter in every single purchase. All you do is slip it on the end of it. It works great. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, or you can go ahead and buy your own from any of your local stores or anything like that. As far as the phone's presentation goes, I've had the 10 Mark II, and this seems to be literally the same exact footprint of it with a little bit of difference on it. So you got the front-facing camera here, the earpiece, headphone jack on the top, looks like a microphone, SIM eject tool, microphone, USB-C. This is probably a camera button. We get the power button, the volume rocker, and then this feels more premium than the 10 Mark II. The 10 Mark II felt just kind of cheap, I guess you could say. This one doesn't. This glass is a little bit nicer, and I like this sort of, I don't know if you can see on the camera here, it's got a little bit of a mixed wave color on it. It's kind of cool. Glass, 3 cameras in the back. Everything looks pretty standard. But this year everything's probably just a little bit better. So I think you get the RAM upgrade from 4 gigs to 6 gigs, which is nice, and then also you get the better Snapdragon 690 5G processor. So either way, that's been about it for this one. This is the Sony Xperia Mark III. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment below, but I look forward to earning your business. Thank you guys so much.